Zdravo na site! Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn Macedonian Language. In today's episode, we are heading out for a little shopping. Specifically, you'll learn how to buy clothes in Macedonian. You'll discover how to ask for sizes, colors, and prices. Perfect whether you're strolling through Skopje City Mall or browsing a small boutique in Ohrid. Let's get started. Let's start with some basic vocabulary. In Macedonian, the word for clothes is obleka. A shirt is košula and pants are pantaloni. If you're shopping for a dress, you'll say fustan and shoes are called chevli. When it's cold, you might need jacket, which means jakna. A skirt is dolnište or suknja. If you're trying on clothes, you might ask about the size, which is golemina, or about the color, which is boya. And finally, you'll want to know the price, which is cena. Now, here are some useful phrases for shopping in Macedonian. Колку чини ова? How much is this? Имате ли друга големина? Do you have another size? Може да пробам? Can I try it on? Пробав. Ке ја земам. I tried it on. I'll take it. It's time for a mini dialogue between customer and shop assistant. Колку чини оваа јакна? Таа е 1800 денари. Имате ли помала големина? Да, секако. Момент. The translation would be, how much is this jacket? It's 1800 dinars. Do you have a smaller size? Yes, of course. One moment. Now it's your turn to practice. Say these sentences out loud in Macedonian. How much is this shirt? Do you have another size? I like this color. And the bonus challenge for today is go to your closet and name 5 things you see in Macedonian. Write your favorite Macedonian clothing word in the comments below. Here are some fun facts about shopping in Macedonia. In smaller Macedonian towns, shop owners often know their regulars by name and will even put something aside for you if they know your style. Bargaining isn't common in big stores, but at local markets, a friendly "Može li poeftino? Can it be cheaper?" sometimes works. Fashion in Macedonia mixes modern European style with touches of traditional embroidery, especially in scarves and blouses inspired by folk costumes. Macedonians often say da se sredam malce, to fix myself up a bit before going out, showing how much they value neat appearance and style. Odlično, excellent. Now you can shop for clothes in Macedonia like a local. Ask for clothes, colors, sizes, and prices with confidence. In the next episode, we'll explore at the pharmacy in Macedonian, where you'll learn how to ask for medicine, describe symptoms, and take care of yourself when traveling there. Se gledаме наскоро. See you soon!